Hello, in this tutorial, I will be covering another method of taking derivatives. For this problem, we are asked to find the derivative of y equals tangent x squared plus e cosine 3x plus 1 minus sine 2x. This method is fast and effective, but you need to know the basic rules and formulas of taking derivatives. There are a few rules you need to know depending on the case of the function. For this problem, we have addition and subtraction. So the first step is to label the whole thing 1. And the solution will be the derivative of this 1 which is labeled. We also know that the addition and subtraction sign will be in our solution. So we can directly bring them down into the solution. The other case we have in this problem is a function embedded in another function, like tangent x squared. To solve this, we label the outermost function 1, in this case tangent, and then label the second function 2, which is x squared. And the solution of this will be the derivative of the first function multiplied by the derivative of the second function. So we will take the derivative of tangent, which is secant squared, multiplied by the derivative of x squared, which is 2x. For e cosine 3x plus 1, we do the same thing we just did. So we first label the outermost function 1, in this case e. And then we label cosine 2. And then we label 3x plus 1, 3. Notice how there's a plus in between 3x plus 1, so they have to be all together. That's why we label the whole thing 3. So the solution is the derivative of 1 times the derivative of 2 times the derivative of 3. The derivative of e is just e, and the derivative of cosine is negative sine. The derivative of 3x plus 1 is 3. We do the same thing for sine 2x. We first label the outermost function 1, which is sine in this case. Then label 2x as 2. And the solution will be the derivative of 1 multiplied by the derivative of 2. When you take a derivative of sine, it's cosine, and the derivative of 2x is 2. Lastly, you want to simplify your solution. And this is the final answer.